Now the next example from practice set 3.5. In figure, PQ touches the circle at point Q, okay, and PQ is equal to 12. PQ is given, it is 12. PR is given, it is 8. Then we have to find PS. Whole PS we have to find first, this whole PS, and then RS. Those two values we have to find. Okay, so we start solution like this. Solution. Since a ray PQ touches the circle at Q and PRS is the second, okay, PRS is the second. Therefore PQ square is equal to PR into PS, by, we just in previous video we have seen this theorem, by tangent secant segment theorem. इससे पहले हमने देखो पहले वाले वीडियो में इसके ये देखे थ्योरम देखे थे, ठीक है, उसका यूज करेंगे हम लोग. Now substitute the values PQ square, that is 12 square, is equal to PR, that is 8, into PS we have to find. 12 square is nothing but 12 into 12. This 8 get divided here on left hand side, is equal to PS. Then 4 2s are 4 3s are, just simplify this. Then 2 1s are 2 6s are, and therefore PS is equal to 3 into 6, 3 into 6, 3 6s are 18. Okay, this is the first value. PS is equal to 18. Now after that we have to find RS. Now since PS is nothing but PR plus RS, since P dash R dash S, right? These 3 points are collinear points, so PS we can write as PR plus RS. Now value for PS we just calculate here. 18 is equal to PR is given, it is 8 plus RS, and therefore 18 minus 8 is equal to RS, and therefore RS is equal to 18 minus 8, that is 10. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this first example from the practice set 3.5. Now next example is, now the next example in figure, chord MN and RS intersect at point D. Okay, two chords MN and RS, they intersect at point D. If RD is equal to, first we have to you have to solve first example जो रहेगा first value, RD is equal to 15, DS is equal to 4, DM is equal to 8, and then we have to find DM. Okay, ये value तुमको find करना है, आप लोग इसको solve करेंगे. Okay, now second I will solve. If RD is RS is equal to 18, whole RS is given, this whole RS is equal to 18, MD is equal to 9, DN is equal to 8, then we have to find DS. DS is equal to how much? Okay, so we start solution like this. Since the two chords MN and RS intersect in the interior of the circle, at D, at point D, therefore by the theorem of internal division of chords, we have internal division of chords, we have, क्या मिलेगा हमको बोलो इक्वेशन. It is MD into DN is equal to RD into DS. Okay, RD लगेगा अपने को. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Now since RS is equal to 18, let DS is equal to X. DS is equal to x कंसिडर, अपने को होल आर एस गिवन है, ठीक है, आर डी मालूम नहीं, डी एस मालूम नहीं, टोटल गिवन है. सो वी कंसिडर डी एस इज इक्वल टू एस, देयरफॉर आर एस इज नथिंग बट आर डी plus ds is equal to 18, and therefore ds is x, so we write here rd plus x is equal to 18, and therefore rd is equal to 18 minus x. तो rd की वैल्यू मिलेगी 18 minus x and ds is x. Okay, and therefore from equation 1 we have, क्या मिलेगा आपको इक्वेशन 1 से, md is 9, md is 9 into dn is 8 is equal to rd, that is 18 minus x into ds, that is x. Okay, so 9 8s are, it is 72 is equal to x, 18 into x, that is 18x minus x into x, it is x square. Okay, so take both the terms here, x square term is negative, to make it positive take both the terms on left hand side, so this minus x square becomes plus x square, this plus 18 becomes minus 18x, and this plus 72 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Okay, which is a quadratic equation, and we have studied the solution of, method of solution of quadratic equation, factorization method, perfect square method, and third one is formula method. By any one method you solve this. So by factorization method we solve it. So we have to find the factors for 72 so that their addition should be minus 18. Okay, factors will be 12 6 are 72, है ना, and here we need minus 18, so we took minus sign for both. So finally you will get x minus 12 into x minus 6 is equal to 0, है ना. So it will be x minus 12 is equal to 0, or x minus 6 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 6. Okay, and therefore ds is equal to either 12 or ds is equal to 6. So in this way we have to solve this next example, this example. Same example, फर्स्ट वाला ऐसे ही सॉल्व करना है, सेम इक्वेशन आएगा, md into dn is equal to rd into ds, just substitute the values and find dn, very simple. Okay, now next example is, in figure O is the center of the circle, B is a point of contact, segment OE is perpendicular to segment AD, AB is equal to 12, AC is equal to 8, then we have to find AD, DC and DE. Okay, so we start solution like this here. Since ray AB is tangent to the circle, at B, and ACD B its secant, therefore AB square is equal to AC into AD. Okay, we write a reason here by theorem of tangent segment, the second segment theorem, by tangent second segment theorem. Okay, and then AB is given, that is 12 square is equal to AC, that is 8, into AD we have to find. So 12 square is nothing but 12 into 12. So same example we solved here, same equation is there, 12 square is equal to 8 into PS, right? After solving, PS is equal to 18, so here it will come AD is equal to also 18. जैसा इधर सॉल्व किया हमने, सेम इधर सॉल्व करना है तुमको. Okay, so AD is equal to 18 you got. Now since A dash C dash D, and therefore AD is equal to AC plus CD, AD is 18 is equal to AC is 8 plus CD, so 18 minus 8 is equal to CD, and therefore CD is equal to 18 minus 8, that is 10. Okay, now we have studied one theorem that the perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Okay, since the perpendicular from the chord, from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Okay, and therefore you have to find DE is equal to half of CD, that is equal to half of CD is 10, 2 ones are 2 5s are, that is equal to 5, and therefore DE is equal to 5. So in this way we have to solve this example. Okay, any doubt in this? कोई doubt है इसके अंदर? No? Okay, come to next one. In figure, segment EF is a diameter. This EF is a diameter, and segment DF, this is a tangent segment. The radius of the circle is R. Okay, here this is R, radius of the circle is R. Then prove that DE into GE is equal to 4R square. That we have to prove. Okay, so we start solution like this. Line DF is a tangent to the circle and DGE is a secant. Therefore, by tangent secant segment theorem, DF square is equal to DG into DE. Say this is equation number 1. Okay. Now in triangle DEF, angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. By tangent theorem. First theorem from this lesson, by tangent theorem, and therefore DE square is equal to DF square plus EF square. Yes, reason is by Pythagoras theorem. Right? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, therefore DE square is equal to DF square plus EF, but EF is nothing but diameter, and diameter is nothing but the 2 times the radius, that is 2R bracket square. Okay, so you will get DF square plus 2R square is nothing but 4R square. This is the value for DE square, and therefore DE square, take this DF square on left hand side, so you will get minus DF square is equal to 4R square. So this right side we got here now, 4R square. Now we have to find this DE into G on left hand side. So DE square minus DF square. So we can write it as DE square minus DF square from equation 1. DF square is nothing but DG into DE. So we write here DG into DE is equal to 4R square. Reason is from 1. Okay, now from both the terms we can take DE common. So DE is common, into bracket DE minus DG is equal to 4R square. So it will be DE into, now DE minus DG, this DE means this whole minus DG minus this DG, so you will get GE. Okay, so it will be GE is equal to 4R square, and that equation we have to prove. DE into GE is equal to 4R square. Yes, any doubt in this? So in this way we finish this exercise 3.5 and this lesson is also over here. Okay, I hope कि आप लोगों को सब एग्जाम्पल्स थ्योरम्स वगैरह वो जो है वो सब समझ में आ गए होंगे. ठीक है. Now in next video we'll start the new lesson, that is the geometric construction. Thank you.